Not far from the Annunciation Church, there are a lot of marvelous structures designed in the style of Art Nouveau, with bay windows surmounted by spires. Some of the facades are richly decorated with maiolica and colorful tiles, whereas others are adorned with sculptural decor. The outline of the pediment might be repeated in the design of the bay window, whereas in some cases the accent might be made on window design. This former rent house was designed by the architect Baranovsky, and we should not forget about the former school of Karl May, decorated with Maybach on leaves.